I'll be visiting different global leading media agencies.
Hey everyone, I'm back!
Action!
Tara na.
Ha? Ayo! Ano?
Hey guys, it's a beautiful day. Nadine, how are you feeling?
I feel great kasi nandito tayo ngayon sa Arellano University para sa shooting ng Para sa Hopeless Romantic.
For today, James and Nadine will be playing their characters pero in high school. So younger and well, a little bit fresher kasi pag mas bata, di ba, dapat mas fresh.
To prepare for the whole movie, I needed to get a tan. Kasi si Nico, medyo maitim siya. So, ito, fake tan to. It's not makeup. Pero may konting makeup sa mukha.
In general kasi, James's character here is different from his other characters kasi we wanted to make him a little bit more Pinoy in a sense. Hirap kasi kay James, his features are so fino. His character here kasi is nagko-commute, tapos nasa ilalim ng araw nakabilad. So, we decided to make him a bit, not a bit, but a lot more tan, like several shades darker.
Yung preparation na ginawa ko, syempre yung character ko, parang ni-refresh ko ulit. Inisip ko ulit yung mga mannerisms niya, lahat ng mga kailangan ko for characterization. Basically, yun lang naman. Kasi very chill lang naman yung scenes namin ngayon ni James. I mean, nothing na nakaka-pressure.
The beauty of Nadine naman is that she's a chameleon. She can be an everyday girl. And she's also easily glammed up. Alam mo yung pinakamagandang babae sa campus, pero parang, if she chooses, kasi yun yung character niya, matalino siya, pero pag gusto niyang ma-deadma siya, nade-deadma siya. Maybe mas naka-pull up yung hair, tapos, in terms of colors, medyo pinkish, mas fresh lang.
They were shooting the high school scenes, the flashback scenes of Nico and Becca. So it's just me and Nadine here today on the set.
Action!
Minsan may Tagalog coach ako dito sa set. But not today. Actually, dito puro Tagalog, walang English. So it's definitely a challenge for me. But it's getting easier. Just now we shot the lunch scene, and basically it's where Nico and Becca start to get to know each other better, and it was good. It's a nice scene. It's very sweet.
Cats. Action!
Hindi ko siya lutuin. So, pag nasa set kami ni James at wala kaming ginagawa, ito ginagawa namin. It's either kumakain kami ng kumakain. Actually, ngayon lang ako nagbaon ng mga pagkain ko. Nasa isang box siya. Marami akong dala. Tapos palagi mo sinishare kay James. Usually, ang dala ko, mga chocolate drinks, oatmeal, cereals. Dati ayoko ng cereals. Pero ngayon palagi ng cereals. Biscuits, soda, tuna. Before, I would always bring, salad dressings na palagi kong tinidip doon kung ano man yung kainin ko, fish, chicken, you name it, kahit ano ididip ko doon sa dressing. Medyo weird. Pati grapes, dinidip ko doon na medyo na-weirdan silang lahat. Kasi weird daw yung lasa, pero ewan ko, gustong gusto ko. So yun. And ano pala, green tea. Hindi naman kami kumakain. Ganon. Yan. Pero usually siya yung ganyan. Siya lang natutulog. Try.
So I just woke up from a nap. Usually when during a break, I take a nap because our call time is so early and we're here for so long. So I sleep when I get the chance.
He's always sleeping and I'm always eating. What? Sure not.
That's true. It's a lot.
Too much of what? Cheese? Are you sure? Sorry. No, because it was tasteless kanina. Try this. Ayan. So, mahilig din kaming manood ng mga funny video during break. Pag-gising siya.
Oh my god.
Ouch!
That's hilarious.
Exterior school ground day, flashback, nakaupo sa isang stone bench si Nico. Lalapitan ni Becca. Matitigilan si Becca, she smiles, magtatakpan hair sa tenga. Pasimpleng kakain ng french fries. Magsasmag ang ketchup sa lips ni Becca. Pupunasin ito ni Nico ng tissue. They stare at each other, tension. And...
Alright, so next sequence na kami. We have to go. Bye, guys!
Charlie?
No more.
Action!
Lagi kong mag-wasap. Wait to get jealous. It's my heart again. Okay. My heart again.
Got it. Okay.
O ano guys, nag-enjoy ba kayo?
Although our days come to an end, one thing is for sure, we see you guys again next time. Bye bye.
This is my second time as a celebrity guest VJ here on MTV Pinoy. The first one, it was really, I don't know, I was really having fun. Kasi James was there. Like, lahat ng gagawin namin, magkasama kami. I mean, here in Maginian, wala, we're always together in MTV that time. Ngayon kasi, ako lang mag-isa. I'm so lonely. James!
Hey, how are you guys? I'm in Taguig right now to help promote TMC, Tagalay's movie channel, and I'll be visiting different global leading media agencies such as Group M, Media Edge, Maxis, Mindshare, and Mediacom. Let's check it out. Guys, I would just like to invite everyone on the 27th of November to Metro Walk Music Hall. They're having an event in TMC, the Tagalay's movie channel.
Yeah. TMC is the Tagalize Movie Channel. It's a new channel of Sky Cable. So, binibenta na rin namin siya. It's actually American movies, American, Korean, Chinese movies dubbed into Filipino. Yun. So, ilo-launch namin yung channel on November 27 on sa Music Hall Metro Walk.
Sorry. Go. Huh? That's my keys.
Hey everyone, I'm back! Ako si Nadine Luce and I'm your guest VJ for this last week of November and the whole month of December. Magsama-sama muna tayo and we'll play some of the best OPM videos. Kaya tutok lang sa MTV The OPM Show, dito lang yan sa MTV Pinoy. O ano, ayos ba guys? Yes, you heard it right. Muli po akong nagbabalik for the second time around as a celebrity VJ for MTV Pinoy for the whole month of December. Samahan niyo ulit ako.
Rolling out and action.
From the TV series Carmela, starring Marian Rivera, susunod na ang theme song na kinanta ng isang young and rising singing star. Una siyang international kilalang unahin natin ang isang emotional na kanta na nanalo ng grand prize sa Himig Handog K-pop love song. Anyway, nung June, sobrang saya. Kasi yun nga, palagi kami magkasama. I mean, nag-market kami, nag-trinoma kami. We interviewed a lot of people. Enjoy! Super!
Hi to all the JD leads. Just one thing that you try to
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. Okay, so meron kaming dare. Dapat lahat ng S maging T, lahat ng T maging S. Okay, lahat Christmas. Gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. D-T. Baby from team. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart. Wait, wait. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart. Tapos the meet na kita. Tapos yung playlist. Like SM. Taglit. Standard ko. May 10 episodes na tayo. Ayoko na. Ayoko. Ang una natin Pinoy artist, rising stars para sa isang... Finally, it's a wrap, guys. I can finally sleep now. Kita-kits ulit tayo next time. Salamat sa pagsama niyo sa akin. Bye!
Papaalam na muna ako with my latest music video. It's from my self-titled debut album na pwede niyong i-download sa iTunes at pwede rin kumuha ng kopya sa mga paborito niyong record bars. Ito na ang aking latest single, Mr. Antipatico.
Hey guys, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Polytechnic University of the Philippines, Santa Mesa, Manila para sa music video shoot ng Mr. Antipatico. Guys, I would like you all to meet Mr. Antipatico himself, Congressman Jaime. Joke, James Reid.
Hey guys, this will be our sixth music video together. So this one's really different. So I know you guys will love it.
At dahil love namin kayong lahat, pasisilipin namin kayo sa mga behind the scenes ng music video shoot na to. Kaya tara na.
The story is all about a girl who met Mr. Antipatico.
Si Mr. Antipatico, may gusto ako sa kanya. But then parang ayaw pa niyang aminin na may gusto siya sa akin. Parang ako nagbibigay na ako ng sign sa kanya, ganyan.
From then on, nagkaroon ng series of daydreaming pagkatapos niyang makilala siya.
Antipatico. Dito sa song na to, kinukwento ko yung mga nangyari na sa amin, yung about sa amin, kung paano kami, like this sa bridge. Sabi, parang aso't pusang nagbabangayan. Parang skinny love in a way, parang ganun. Ibang Mr. Antipatico sa Bahala Na, sa Para-Para and my other songs. Kasi ito, medyo mid-tempo siya, but then at the same time, danceable siya.
What makes it different is that it's not a dance music video. It's more on acting. There's more of a story. Yeah.
Tsaka masungit siya dito sa akin, sa music video. Unlike music videos before. Yung role ko dito, typical. Ako yung naghahabol kay Mr. Antipatico. Si James si Mr. Antipatico.
Playing the role of Mr. Antipatico wasn't so hard because it's similar to Cross, right? It's similar to Cross, the character I played in Darin Pangit. So kind of just brought a little bit of Cross back.
It is my first time to work with Nadine and James Reid. Si Nadine Lustre, she's very professional. I mean, wala akong masabi in terms of acting skills. Halos lahat, take one. For James Reid, ganun din. He's a natural. Pag sinabi mong gwapo ang eksena, gwapo talaga ibibigay. So, sobrang dali nung, in all aspects, sobrang dali nilang katrabaho.
4, 3, 2, action! And okay.
One thing na masasabi ko for the Jaden tandem, nasa kanila yung chemistry, nasa kanila yung kilig. Every time na sinushoot namin silang dalawa, I myself ay nafe-feel ko na nakakakilig talaga silang dalawa.
Isa sa mga nakakatawang moment, isa sa nakakatawang moment namin. Kasi wala kaming folding chairs ngayon. Pero may sofa. So ito yung sofa ko, yun yung sa kanya. So every time na naka-break kami, nagsiset up, parehas kaming tulog.
For me, that was the funniest moment of the day.
James is Mr. Misteryoso. Ewan ko, minsan hindi ko siya mabasa. Tahimik lang siya. Minsan madaldal siya, nagpapatawa.
James is Mr. Mysterious.
Mr. Funny. Well, yun nga. Palagi naman siya nagpapatawa. Pag nasa mood siya. Like kanina, parang, ewan ko may ganun siya eh. Basta magugulat ka na lang, magjo-joke siya, magpapatawa siya, kakausapin ka na, ganyan.
Mr. Forgetful.
Mr. NR. Mr. No Reaction. Kasi pag magkakwento ko sa kanya,
Mr. Laid Back. My favorite scene is when she calls me guapo.
oh.
On.
Yeah.
Select.
Come on. Mr. Antipatico. Yeah.
Dampot.
My favorite scene dito sa music video is the last scene that we did. Yung parang ibabato ng bola, and then muntik na akong matamaan. Pag-exit ko, kakausapin niya yung nagbato. Tapos, hindi niya naman naawayin. Pagagalitan niya lang. Para siyang Mr. Antipatico in Shining Armor. The shoot is finally over. It's a wrap. Ayan guys, I hope you had fun as much as I did and James also. Bye!